Hello guys, welcome to the channel. We are Princess Student.
Hello guys, I am Neetu Singh Chauhan, and I am from Sanchita classes, and I would like to tell about this book. This is very important for us, and if we are unable to speak anything in front of any person, then we should have to join Sanchita classes. And if we are unable to join offline classes, then we must have to join online classes. That fees is 999, and if we are able to join offline classes, then we must have to come here, and that fees is 1999. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Pranjal Asti from Sanchit classes. If I am going to tell you about the Sanchit Style Spoken English book, which content is very needable for today's demand of students, because it will be boost your study material, which is needable for your English spoken. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Akhand Pratap from Sanchit classes. This book is very wonderful book for English spoken. If you want to improve in your personality development and conversation, then you can join the Sanchit classes and provide this book. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Anushka from Sanchit classes. I will tell you about Sanchit classes because I was first day in Sanchit classes, and I was big zero in English spoken and conversation. Then after some days I got improvement my body language and conversation. So if you want to improvement your personality and conversation, so please get online admission with Sanchit sir classes. Please contact on this number 7275586058. Thank you so much.
Nowadays I am preparing for serious exam, and if you have to crack interview, then you should have to join in Sanchita classes. And there is in CDS there is also SSB. Then if we in SSB we have to give GD, it means group discussion. And if you came here, then you will found that here is also a GD classes, and after that interview classes. Thank you.
Hello friend, for your better performance in English communication, there is need to join Sanchit classes, because it give you a huge best performance for English communication, and there is a better classes with a huge study material is provided by the Sanchit classes.
As you know, I am Akhand, and I am a BTech student. I want to crack interview of GATE examination, so I am joining this class, and one day I hope I will crack the exam and interview. So you must to join this class. Thank you.
Hello guys, I will tell you why I joined Sanchit sir classes, because right now I am looking for a civil service examination. So for civil service examination, important for body language, conversation and personality development. So I joined Sanchit sir classes. If you want improvement your personality development and conversation and body language, so please join Sanchit sir classes. So get online admission with Sanchit sir classes. Thank you.
And you all think that what is in this book, then I would like to tell about first if we have to chat to any person, then we should have to say that. Then we should have to say what is our mistake. Then I would like to tell about this book. In this book, first there is interaction with language, conversation, command over the communication. In first section there are 13 chapters, and in section B there are 12 sections. In section B there are 1/6 rule. It means like present definite tense, past indefinite tense, like this type. And section C there are use of has to, have to, had to, and modal. Then if we do not know about this, then we should have to join this class, and after that Sanchit sir will tell us about this book. And in this book there are so many things, as I told you first. And after that, part 2. In part 2 there are things, there are 14 chapters like punctuation, conjunction, adverb, causative verb, special cases. And if we know about this, then we could speak anything, and so we would have to join Sanchit sir classes. Thank you.
This is fully completed course for a communication, and if we talk about the content of the book, then we see the content is full for our communication. There is too many chapters, which is complete course. And we talk about the section B. There is a grammar part in a section B, where we learn about the grammatic errors and the situation tense, which is too much important for our communication. If we talk about the use of too many helping verbs and too many modals, there is section C for the modals, which is complete for the modal section. Thank you.
In this book there are two parts. First is basic and second is advanced part. Basic part is very, very important in speaking. So first of all we will learn basic part, and after that advanced part. So if you want to improve your personality and communication and body language, then please join this class, Sanchit classes. Okay, thank you.
Okay, welcome to this channel. Welcome to this book again, guys. So I'm Sanchit sir, and I will tell you about this book directly. So this is Sanchit Star, and it's a completed book of the communication, and they are my new students, and they are fresher, and we have completed this in 7 days. So I hope that you will enjoy this. And you can see as the book, there is some important section A. It will be complete your normal conversation and complete your basic conversation with the grammatic parts. And the second part, section B, there will be PIT and PCT. It means 12 tenses are there. It's a 12 sets. And the third part, modal section, it will help you to work on your grammar section. And the next part, rest. This is the part 2, advanced part by Mr. Sir, where you will learn competitive English, how to speak in competitive, means how to use the conversation by the competitive language. For example, punctuations, conjunction, adverb, preposition, etc., etc. So I hope that you will like this, guys. Share this video and get the online package. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good luck, guys. Bye.